Hey, welcome back. Just got done cutting the grass. Hadn't cut it for over a week. And I came to take a look at my garden. And yeah, look at that. That's my sweet potatoes. And look at what's at them. Japanese beetles. Same thing, they're kind of eating at my regular potatoes. But I got a solution. And no, I'm not sponsored. Let's dust these things. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, they do not like this stuff. And I'll dust my potatoes here. I gotta get some more. I know I won't get every leaf, but at least they know I'm not messing around. There you go. How do you like that? These things are a nuisance. Not only do they go after vegetation, they also go after flowers. So, now that I got that dusted, my cucumbers are doing really well. My tomatoes. Now I know my garden's raised, but look at how tall these things are. These are like 4 feet and they're almost above that. And cherry tomatoes are doing good too. So, yeah, this hot and humid weather has really got them going crazy. But not a lot of flowers. A lot of greenery, but not seeing a lot of flowers. So, and then my pea pods. It's time for some picking. So let's see, can we see? They're a little bit small. I might have to pull my fencing off and then reattach it. But let's see. Well, they're not quite as big as I want them yet, so it might be still too early. But I thought they would grow taller. I'm thinking after this batch they'll grow some more and then they'll have another batch. If somebody knows, please leave a comment. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of small yet. Yeah, maybe another couple more days I can start harvesting these, and then can make some stir fry. Yeah, so that's the garden. Oh, let's see. The other day we had like 2 inches of rain, so might need some waterings maybe later on. Yeah, and our Husqvarna riding lawnmower is still doing really well. I think it's like 4 or 5 years old. Never had a problem with it. Just gonna blow it off. We cut the grass earlier. Battery's running low on the Makita. Yeah, the lawnmower's doing really well. Haven't had any issues with it. The only thing earlier, when it was springtime, when I went to go cut the grass, try to cut the grass, it wouldn't crank over. It was like the battery was dead. And I'm like, how can the battery be dead? Well, then I went to put it, on the charger, and the one of these terminals was loose, so I tightened it up and it was fine. So it says May 2022, so it's 4 years old, and like I said, it runs like a charm. Hadn't had any issues with it. And we have an acre lot, and let's see, I think we got like, how many hours is on there? Let's turn it on once. Like 80 hours. Yeah, nice machine. And this lawnmower is still doing great too. Turn it on. Make sure you gotta have the discharge button. There it goes. Turn it off. It's all set. But what I do when I park it, I pull the batteries a little bit, and then it should be good. Went back by the chicken coop. Got about a dozen eggs there. Still laying. That's good. Love them fresh eggs. Nothing better. You know, I've done videos of it snowing. This was back in March of this year. So now I'm going to show you a video of the temperature today. Little change of temperature, huh? Heat advisory, 95 degrees. Feels like 102. We got this today and tomorrow. And then it cools off just a little bit, not much, a couple degrees, but, and you know what, I'm not complaining. I'm just showing everybody what our temperature is. You know, we go from record snow in March to this temperature in July. And you know what, I'm standing out here and I'm not getting frostbite. That's one thing. I mean, we can all, everybody complains about, oh, it's so hot, it's so hot. But you know what? You can sit outside in the shade and you're not going to get frostbite. So, alright. Please like and subscribe my video. And I'll have more coming up real soon. Stay cool.